In today's video, I'll show you how to make app icons bigger, how to enable or disable app and widget labels. To increase the size of the icons, enter the settings menu and access the home screen menu. Move the cursor to the right to increase the size of the icons. You can play with the cursor until you find the desired icon size. You can enable widget labels by turning the switch to the on position. You can disable app labels by turning the switch to the off position. If you disable app labels, you will also disable widget labels. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.